We all want something that screams us. From the way it beeps and shakes to the way it opens its eyes. Androids are known to have one of the fastest chipsets in the world that run its OS like butter. But when metaphorical becomes literal, that is a problem. Who do you give it to? Solution? QuickSolutions. Don't say goodbye to your endearing device just yet, as it may be saved again. We'll inspect every nook and cranny to check for glitches. And voila, better than new. QuickSolutions, nothing is obsolete.